Hello everyone, I'm Arianne. Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you some big J's and some big J variations that we can incorporate into our flow today. So if you want to see a tutorial on the big J, go ahead and click the link. I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all what this looks like. This is a big J. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you some variations where we can incorporate like our legs and our arms. So we're basically still finding that rhythm just back and forth, getting a good grip on the bottom. Remember that with the big J, you want to catch at the bottom and trail it over the top and create some tension. Keep that tension on the start to keep it nice and open. So from here, we're going to incorporate our legs, okay? So just to count out and so we can all be on the same page, I'm just going to count to 8 and just repeat that, okay? So just starting out with big J's, we're going to start with 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're basically giving little tosses on every second number, okay? So let's do that same thing, but we're gonna do big J's and we're gonna alternate underneath our legs. If you wanna take this one a little bit slower and just focus on one leg, I definitely encourage you to do that. But I also encourage you to challenge yourself at the end and get comfortable on the opposite side as well. So once again, we're gonna count out 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I hope this helped you guys. We're gonna do one more variation and that's gonna be a behind the back big J. So once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will say that one is a little bit more challenging, but take your time with it, slow it down, get comfortable. This is all gonna lead us back to a little synchronized flow that I would love to do with y'all. Okay, so we're gonna do this all together now and incorporate all the moves. So just follow along with me, follow the count, and go ahead and jump in whenever you feel comfortable. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I think that we have a little synchronized flow going. I hope that you guys are having fun with this. I think we could do it a couple more times. And once again, we're just gonna practice starting out with big J's, and then we're gonna go to our legs behind the back and then end with the big J's right in front of us again. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! You guys, this was awesome. These are some just little variations of big J's. I feel like this is such a great beginner tutorial and this is like such a great trick to incorporate into your flow. These are all like little stalls that you can do, and yeah, I just really hope that it will help you level up. So thank you guys for watching today. I'm Arianne. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you all have a great day.